Now, before going on, I don't know why I was really stumbling over this in English. So this αὐθό, I think instead of by him, a better way to express would be with, to say, after these earth bears with him. That, to me, that sounds better in English and I think conveys the same idea. So one other thing before going on, I wanted to make sure I didn't forget. So here we have another men. And when we see a man, we're going to be on the lookout for a de. And we get the de here. So here we have sky, uranos. Sky has bound and thrown the Cyclops into Tartarus. By the way, Tartarus even comes up in Milton's Paradise Lost. He does that on the one hand, and then here, we're going to pick up the action, and he is still the subject. Uranos, tεκνοῖ de αὐθις εκ γης παῖδας, men tous Titᾶνας, προσαγορευθέντας, Ὠκεανὸν, Κοῖον, Ὑπερίονα, Κρεῖον, Ἰαπετὸν, καὶ νεώτατον ἁπάντων, Κρόνον. Θυγατέρας de τας κληθείσας Τιτανίδας, Tηθύν, Ρέαν, Θέμιν, Mnημοσύνην, Φοίβην, Διώνην, Θείαν. Then he, and this is referring to sky, uranos, he bears, or sires, really, would be a better way to say that. He sires. One note here, this is historical present. I realize it took place in the past. Apollodorus understood that it took place in the past, but it's in the present tense because it's more vivid that way. I mean, if you just shut your eyes for a minute and you think about uranos, or sky, bears, or sires, I keep saying bears, but uranos, sky, sires, children. Think about that image. That's right now. It's like we're watching a movie, as opposed to he did this thing in the past. So it's just vivid, and I think it's good to keep it that way. He sires again children from earth, children from earth. That's Gaia. And now we get another mende. We're getting two sets. We get one, those who are called the Titans. Maybe we'll just say it like that. Those who were called the Titans. And then we get some names here. Ocean. I think this might be more like this. Koius, Hyperion. I should kind of stay consistent, but I'm not. Crœsus, I'm going to say it like that. Iapetos. And, so these are the names, and now there's a little thing here. And nεώτατον ἁπάντων, the youngest of them all. So this is the superlative, meaning that if we looked it up in the dictionary, normally you would have to look it up under its positive, its non-superlative form, which would be neos, meaning new or young. So the newest of them all, or the youngest of all of them, Kronos. And the youngest of them all, we might just say it like that in English, Kronos. And again, I like, I don't know. What did Emerson say about consistency? Something like that. So, on the one hand, these children, And then thυγατέρας bore also, and daughters who were called, and I realize in English I'm using the same word for something that is different, for different words in Greek, who were called I don't know, the Titanesses? I don't know. They're also Titans, but female Titans. And maybe we'll say that who are called the female Titans. Again, that's not, I don't know exactly how they handle that. And I don't even know. Should probably just use a colon or something, but Tethys, Rea, usually that gets something like that. And you can tell, we get a little rough breathing mark here. And that breathing mark is getting transliterated after, not before, the R sound. Themis, I'm just going to leave it like this. Mnημοσύνη, Fοίβε, or usually like that. Phoebe, Dion, Thea.